Good morning, second grade. I hope that you are doing well and staying healthy. Today, we are going to do phonics lesson number 36. We are going to talk about some different vowel sounds today. But first, let's talk a little bit more about the history of the English language. And so the last time that we heard about Britannia, the Britons had been attacked by the Picts, and the king had hired some people from the area that is now Germany. Those people were called the Angles, the Saxons, and the Jutes. We need to find out what happened after they won the battle. What do you think happened? Well, the Britons probably thought that everything would return to normal now. However, the Angles and the Saxons decided that they liked Britannia so much that they wanted to stay there and make it their country. So more of their warriors came over on ships and they formed a great army. And so the Angles and the Saxons fought the Britons for many years before they finally conquered and took over most of Britannia. It was not long before the country's name, Britannia, was changed to Angleland, since the Angles were now in control. It took a long time, but guess what the name Angleland eventually became? Think about what Angleland sounds like. England, that's right. England finally got the name it has now. And the Angles and the Saxons spoke a Germanic language, which was called Englisk. Sometimes this is called Old English, but this language is considered to be the beginning of the English language. So many of the words came from this language, and we will talk more about the history in our upcoming lessons. So today we are going to start by talking about the vowel sounds, and then we will work through two different worksheets together. So I want you to listen to these words: cane, these, like, rope, and mule. Now look at these words and see if you can tell me something they all have in common. Cane, these, like, rope, mule. What do all of these words have in common? Did you notice that they all end with the letter E? Can you tell me what the letter E does? When it is at the end of an English word, it is usually silent and it makes the vowel long. And we code silent E's by crossing them out to remind us that they don't make any sound. They are silent. So we are going to code the initial vowel with a macron, since it does make the long sound, and cross out the final E. Macron, 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 cross out the final E. A silent E can make a vowel long if it is only one sound away from the vowel. If it is more than one sound away, this rule does not work, okay? So you might remember last year we called this the sneaky E because it sneaks over and kicks the vowel to make it long. So let's go back to the rest of these words and finish our coding, okay? We need a K back on our C in cane. We have digraph TH in these. And we do need voice lines in TH and S. These are both voiced sounds. These. These. All right, let's talk about a few more words. All right, I am going to write the word bathe. And also the word horse. Now, can the E in the word bathe make the A long? Bathe. Yes, it does. It has a long vowel sound. Why is that? What is the TH? It is a digraph and it has one sound. Remember, the letter E makes the vowel long if it is only one sound away. So bathe does follow the rule. Bathe. Th. This is a voiced digraph. All right, let's look at horse. Horse. How many sounds are there between the O and the E? 2, right? We have the sound or sound and that sound. Horse. The sneaky E is too far away. So we do have combination OR. This is still a silent E, but we don't code the O with a macron, okay? So let's look at some picture cards before we get to our worksheets. I have picture cards that you are going to use to remember these rules. And so I'm going to show you a card and I want you to tell me which vowel, consonant, E situation it goes with, okay? What is this a picture of? This is a dime. When you see this card, you say dime, I, consonant, E, okay? Dime, I. It has the I, consonant, E. What about this picture? What vowel, consonant, E situation is this? This is a cake. A, consonant, E, cake is our key word. What is this a picture of? Cube. U, consonant, E goes with cube. This is hose. O, consonant, E, hose. And our last one, what is the arrow pointing to? It looks like a sidewalk, but it is made of what? Concrete. E, consonant, E, concrete. All right, please get out the worksheet that says spelling and high frequency word practice. Spelling and high frequency word practice. We are going to start with a spelling sound review. So I want you to echo the sound and then name the letters that make that sound, okay? The first one for number 1 is ul. Ul. Write the letters that make the ul sound. L, and then final LL. Remember the floss rule? L, final LL. Number 2 is S. S, final S. Again, that goes with the floss rule. Number 3, qu. Qu. Q, U. Make the qu sound. Number 4. F, final, F, F. The floss rule also needs the final FF. Number 5, R, R. That is combination AR, R. Number 6, or, combination OR, or. Number 7, WH, make the sound. Number 8, T, final, T, comma, ED. And number 9, that is combination ER, Now we are going to practice some spelling words. On number 10, please spell the word fist. Fist. F-I-S-T. Fist. Fist. Number 11, spell the word sock. Sock. S-O-C-K. Sock. And number 12, jar. Jar. J-A-R. Jar. Now we are going to practice spelling some sight words. On number 13, spell the word their, like in the sentence, their coats are on the rack. Their, like it belongs to them. There is spelled T-H-E-I-R. Number 14, could. Could. Could is spelled C-O-U-L-D. Could. And number 15 is don't. The contraction don't. Don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. All right, before we get to our sentence, what should a sentence begin with? A capital letter. And what should a sentence end with? A period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Repeat the sentence. Toss the grass into the trash. Toss the grass into the trash. What kind of punctuation will go at the end of that sentence? A period. It is telling someone to do something. Let's write the sentence together. Toss the grass into the trash. Make sure that you had a capital letter at the beginning and end with a period. When you are ready, flip your page to the back side. We are going to practice some new sounds and words that we just did today. So on number 1, I want you to write the letters that make the sound A. A. Today we learned A, consonant E, and then comma A. A also can say A. So A, consonant E, comma A. Number 2, I. I, consonant E, comma, I. Number 3, O. O, consonant E, comma, O. And number 4, U. U, consonant E, comma, U. The next 3 words are going to use these rules. They will all have vowel consonant E. For number 5, write the word came. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. Number 6, life. Life. L-I-F-E. And number 7, those. Those. T-H-O-S-E. At the bottom of this page, you can practice reading and spelling your high frequency words. Choose one to write a sentence. We are going to start working on worksheet number 36. We are going to start by coding some words. In number 1, I see digraph TH, underline digraph. E, consonant E. Put a macron above the initial E. Cross out the final E. Can you read number 1? This word is theme. Number 2, O, consonant E. Macron above the O. Cross out the final E. This word is home. Number 3 has A, consonant E. Macron above the A, cross out the sneaky E. This word is ape. Ape, which goes with the first picture. Ape. On number 4, we need a K back on the C. And there is U, consonant E. Cute is number 4. Cute. Number 5, I see combination IR. We put an arc underneath IR. And the S is a suffix ending. This word is birds. The S makes the Z sound, so we do need to cross it out. Birds matches with our second picture. And number 6, I see combination ER, put an arc. There is a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. We need the dividing line between the 2 T's. A brevy goes above the first E. This word is better. Let's read the sentences at the bottom of the page. Shad and Bess are a cat and a dog. Shad will ride in the car. Bess will not. Shad has more fun than Bess. Number 7, where will Bess not ride? In the car. Very good. Number 8, who has more fun? Bess, Tim, or Shad? Who has more fun? Shad has more fun. Shad. And number 9, Shad and Bess like to ride in the car. Yes or no? No. Only Shad will ride in the car. Bess does not like it. So no. Turn your worksheet to the homework side. I am going to tell you how many codes you need at the top of your page. For number 1, you need to add 2 codings. Number 2 needs 3 codings. Number 3 has 2 codings. Number 4 gets 5 codings. We are going to do this one together. Number 5 has 2 codings. And number 6 has 3. So again, those numbers are 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. And I would like to do number 4 with you. First, I see digraph TH. And I also see E, consonant E. Macron above the initial E, cross out the final E. So that is 3 markings already. We need 2 more. Listen to the word. These. These. The. That is voiced. These. The S also needs crossed out. That is the 5 code marks for number 4. Now you can finish the rest of the worksheet on your own. Great job today.